Switchblade.
My ancestors telling me to take back the land. Dead bodies in the trunk, slump in the morning. Normalcy bores me, leaving bitches heartless on weekends. Blood dripping down in my fingertips. Switchblade when I write lyrics on her skin. Curse like Kong Shu in my head. Once the moonlight shines, I get to work and put the evil in my pen. Let the chaos flow like blood from the nose. My power grows, then I let loose. No bars on. 7-7 live in the grip like lips like this. Eyes hiding in the basement. I'm an indigenous man. Leave a motherfucker with the crimson mask. I ain't running recreator, won't like that. Beat a bitch with a mic, then strangle him with the cord, then perform while leave him on the floor like a whore.
No black face, brave, membrane insane. Tommy James in the veins. Baby, I'm back and I'm tighter than black or braids. G's up, playing slave, bitch, that bitch made. Lick the blood on my switchblade, shot with my veins. Wolf gang, and we were going vague. Capture me on the set, shoot a nigga for lemonade. Rap in Wilson Way. Hello radio. Mic check, Kid K.
Pray me like it's that time of the month. Tell me behave, baby, I always run amok. For what your man said, I can see it in your eyes. I got 5 shades on, looking real fly. I put a G on when I'm nearby. Gucci wallet when I pay the price. No, you ain't got to speak, I already know what you need. Matches at 3, that R&B, milk and mocha when you bring that after work tea. Switches got me jumping like Queen Bee. Got horns and Adidas on my feet. Looking so fresh, so clean, an outcast in this musical industry.
Get it the itch again to pick up a hitchhiking witch bitch that'll probably be how my story ends. I seen the demons watching, lurking, waiting to collect upon my past sins. Sent the team to let me know I can't let them go. This ring playable, I'm dead. Streets feeding me for the chance to take me under Constantine and scene. Switchblade. C-O-double-M-I.